Have you ever wondered how to create a faceless YouTube video using InVideo? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First things first, choose a channel niche and video ideas. The topic of your video should align with the overall theme of your YouTube channel, whether it's cooking, tech reviews, or DIY crafts. Having a clear focus will help you create more engaging content. Next, create a script. This will serve as a narration for your faceless video. It's your chance to really connect with your viewers, even without showing your face. Once you have your script, it's time to sign up for InVideo if you haven't already done so. This is the platform you'll use to turn your script into a captivating visual experience. Now, get creative with InVideo. Select a template that fits your video's theme. There's a variety to choose from, so you're bound to find one that suits your style and content. With your template selected, upload your script. InVideo's AI will work its magic to turn your words into a visual narrative. Once your script is uploaded, use InVideo's editing tools to customize your video. You can add images, clips, and text. Think of this as painting a picture for your audience. Your words are the outline, and these elements are the color. Now, it's time to add some voice to your video. Record a voiceover or use InVideo's text-to-speech feature. This is where your script comes to life, so make sure your delivery is clear and engaging. Before you wrap up, preview your video. This is your chance to make sure everything looks and sounds just right. If everything meets your standards, go ahead and export your video. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Upload your exported video to your YouTube channel. And there you have it. You've created a faceless YouTube video using InVideo. It might take a bit of time and practice to get the hang of it, but don't be discouraged if your first few videos aren't perfect. Keep at it and you'll be creating high-quality faceless videos in no time. Good luck!